Thanks for joining us, CGT and Mr. Call. Companies from Singapore and China signed a bunch of MOUs. So, in your opinion, how can the CIIE benefit Singaporean companies in the future?
Well, I think these MOUs will further strengthen the very strong relationship that Singapore already enjoys with China. China is already Singapore's largest goods trading partner, and Singapore is China's largest foreign investors. 2 years ago, the governments agreed to upgrade our relationships to an all-round, high-quality, future-oriented partnership. And this has tangibly translated to an upgraded FTA between China and Singapore. Under that upgrade, 95% of Singapore exports to China is tariff-free. And the list of sectors in which Singapore companies can invest in China has increased to many of the services sector, like retail, legal services, and agricultural services. And this year, Vice Premier Li Qiang just visited Singapore, and a whole slew of new MOUs are being signed in green economy, digital economy, AI, and so on and so forth. So this really bodes very good for B2B collaboration. But the point I want to bring out is that it is not about just Singapore investments into China, but increasingly seeing a lot of Chinese investment, correct, coming to Singapore. In fact, there's an estimate of about 10,000 Chinese enterprises already in Singapore.
So what trend do you foresee that define the future of China-Singapore trade relations and collaborations?
Now, the first generation of Chinese enterprises focus on trade, focus on investing in our infrastructure. But we are seeing a new wave of Chinese companies in the high-tech sector. Companies like Tencent, Huawei, Alibaba all have R&D centers in Singapore to develop 5G, AI, IoT solutions for the region. And this year we came back with about 57 companies spread across 3 halls in consumer goods, food and agricultural services, as well as in trade and services. And in fact, 70% of them are returnees, 30% of them are new. Many of the new participants here are companies that are here providing legal services, providing operational services, providing company setup services to help Chinese companies who are ready to 走出中国 to set up in Singapore to tap into ASEAN.